On a Wednesday night in Newark, New Jersey, we tip off an FS1 College Hoops triple header. It's the Seton Hall Pirates in second place in the Big East, welcoming the Providence Friars.
Another opportunity for us to keep taking steps to becoming a team. We're going to do. It's about us. We're going to do it together. All right, let's go.
Devin Carter and one.
Tough finish by Carter.
Carter this time showing off his distribution skills to Oduro. Shot clock is down to 8. Gaines got a step ticket. Gaines with a slam. Oduro maneuvering and finishing. Dual got a piece of that. Now Dual, the freshman on the other end. Beautifully done by the rookie. Dual, that's why he was a 4-star freshman. Gaines again. Big ticket came to play in New Jersey. Stick it back and Carter collects. Carter with speed. Halftime here in Newark. Pirates and Friars in a Big East battle.
Let's go!
Oduro left alone. Here's Carter with the floater. Devin Carter into double figure. Carter finding Pierre. That was a pretty dish to Castro. Oduro got a step. Providence has gotten right back in this ballgame. Another battle for it. Jaden Pierre gives the Friars their first lead since it was 32-31. Entry to Oduro. Oduro! Put him on a poster! 5 seconds to go. 3 seconds to go. Providence comes to the Rock and gets a huge road win.
Everyone in this room played a part, but this is what changed the game. Players play, tough players win. Game of basketball, especially in this league, it comes down to heart. Love you guys, man. Great job. Bring it in.